All right, guys, and now we're on to more weight reduction, and this time we're with our boys from MAF Racing. All right, guys, like I said, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get into what we got now, and that is the tubular rear bumper support for the 99 to 04 Mustang. Yes, and welcome to spring, guys. But here it is. This is the tubular rear bumper support for the 99 to 04 Mustang. As you can see, it even has the positions for the tabs to go in the back to support. And what you also do notice on there is it does not have provisions to keep the tailpipes. So on this boreless stinger catback, we'll probably be losing those. I don't think I want to modify that. Now with losing the tailpipes, that's obviously more weight reduction, which we don't mind because this catback actually has a pipe that turns down right after the axle. So it's going to have like a turn down built into it anyway. So it still should sound okay. Now I did go ahead and take the liberty of weighing the tubular support before we installed it and weighed in at 6.6 pounds. All right, so now that we got everything off of here, we started to try to take some bolts loose, and we started running into a common problem that a lot of these cars have, and that, especially with the age, that's rust. As you can see there, this is most likely just gonna have to be broken bolts and torn out that way. So it's gonna be a little harder to attach that rear support brace, but what we're gonna do, as you can see, there's a hole actually starting. We're gonna take this, we're gonna cut all of this out, weld in all new sheet metal here on both ends, and then we'll be mounting the rear brace with all new holes and hardware drilled. All right, now that stripping everything off of there has taken the better part of the day, we got everything done, we got the new piece mounted on, but let's see exactly how much we saved weight-wise. How much did all this really weigh? Now, just the tailpipes and the stop blocks and the side brackets for the rear bumper weighed in at 19.4 pounds. Now, the bumper support on its own with the foam still attached weighed in at 28.8 pounds. Now, if you add that with the 19.4 pounds we saved earlier, that equals what? In case it took you an extra few minutes to do the math, it came out to 48.2 pounds off the rear, plus the 6.6 pounds we added back into it. And I'm actually gonna make it 7 pounds because we did weld some steel back in to fix that rust. So 7 pounds off the 48.2, so 41.2 pounds we saved off the rear end of the car and total weight of the car. And we're still gonna remove the dog bone. I think that's like 8 to 10 pounds. So close to 60 pounds off the back, or 50 pounds anyway. All right, guys, that concludes this one. So now don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.